Hello, welcome to Picky Assist. Today we will learn how out-of-the-box routing and live event feed works. So let's understand what is out-of-the-box routing. Out-of-the-box routing is a Teambox feature which allows you to route the chats from any third-party applications. So let's have a quick comparison with the other software routing rules and Teambox out-of-the-box routing. So routing and chat allocation is limited within the same software. Like if you are familiar with the live chat systems, then you know that routing rules can only configure to work with the same software itself. Only predefined value or skill-based routing rules. That is, routing rules are generally limited only to certain predefined value like tag, categories or skills like languages, availability, etc. Complex API integration needed. This means if you want to achieve advanced routing rules, then you need to hire a developer to do this. Now let's see how Teambox solved these problems with the out-of-the-box routing rules. Routing and chat allocation works with any third-party softwares. That is, you can simply instruct the Teambox to route the chat based on the event happens in your favorite CRM or any other software. Create a routing rules with any values out of the box. This means you have the capability to define the routing conditions dynamically based on the value which is stored in your CRM or software. No coding or API integrations needed. Yes, we have made this simplified with our connector. You can simply create a connection using our connector and your software, then build advanced no-code routing rules in no time. Now let's see how it works. Routing rule works with an events. Events can be anything. Let's take a new callback form submits in your website. It can be in Google Forms or virtually any forms. Then based on the topic or values, you can create a filter like if the department is sales, assign chat to sales department. If the inquiry is related to support, then you can create a filter and assign the chat to the support department. Using the filter, you can create any conditions based on the dynamic value which is in the event. Let's take another example. Whenever a new contact is added in a CRM, it can be Zoho, Pipedrive, HubSpot or any other CRMs out there. You can simply assign the chat to the contact owner in the Teambox. So the contact owner can immediately reach the customer. Instant engagement means more sales to you. Let's take one more example. When an order is cancelled in the Shopify site, or it can be WooCommerce or even your custom e-commerce platform, you can assign the chat to the refund team. At the same time, you can assign the chat to the admin as well, so that the admin can view the conversation and understand why the refund is placed by the customer. This is just a few possibilities you can build with out-of-the-box routing. You can virtually build the routing rules the way you needed using the powerful filter and event feeds. Now let's learn what is live event feeds. Live event feeds helps you to give contextual information to the Teambox users when an event happens in your favorite software. Let's demonstrate with an example. This is a feedback form built with Google Forms, and you can send this form to your customer after they have placed an order with you. Now, when the customer fills the form, the details will be automatically added as event inside the Teambox against the contact as shown here. You can see that all the details customer filled in the form is added right into the Teambox on a real-time basis. And this is not limited to Google Form. You can add live event feeds from 3000 plus apps, even from your custom app using our connector. Like you can receive a live event feed when the customer makes a payment through Stripe, purchased an item in your store, an email is clicked or opened, etc. Now let's understand more features of the live event widget. This is the subject which can dynamically configured. You can change the background color based on the situation. Like if the feedback was positive, then you can make it green, then it can dynamically change to yellow if it is neutral, or you can configure any color. Now you can add programmable buttons into the event for your internal employees to take actions. For example, when the issue is solved by your team, then you can simply click on the button and it can notify your CRM. You can program the actions to be taken when the button is clicked by your Teambox users. It can open web pages as well. Now the last part is the body. You can fully customize what information should be displayed here. You have the options to dynamically pass media files as well through live event feeds. So this is all about live event feeds. Now let's see what are the advantages. Contextual informations to your internal agents. Yes, when your agents attending the chats, they will have complete information about the customers as well as the context to assist them in a better way. No need to switch or search data in multiple softwares. This is a really cool feature which helps your agents to simply focus in the conversations. Fully programmable action buttons with a custom color. This helps the agent to pull or push information from another software without leaving the Teambox. Save your agent time by 20%. Sync live event feeds from 3000 plus app, even from your custom app. Yes, you heard it right. Out of the box routing rule and live event feed works with almost all the softwares out in the market. You can also integrate with your custom software with no or low coding using our connector. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and we at Picky Assist believes that the out of the box routing and live event feeds simplify your business communication to the next level. Thank you for watching this video.